Is your plant looking a little jaundiced? Are those leaves turning an ugly shade of yellow instead of that lush, happy green? Don't panic yet. Let's figure out why your plant is throwing a tantrum and how to fix it in under 3 minutes. Usually, yellow leaves are your plant screaming one of 3 things: I'm drowning, I'm starving, or I'm just old. First, the big one, watering. If the soil feels like a wet, squishy sponge and the leaves are soft, you're basically loving your plant to death. The roots are suffocating. Only water when the top 2 inches of soil are dry. To check if your plant needs water, don't guess. Stick your finger 2 inches deep into the soil. If it feels like a wet, squishy sponge, stop. You're loving it to death. If it's dry and crumbly, it's thirsty. Give it a deep soak until water runs out the drainage hole. If the soil is pulling away from the sides of the pot, it's desert dry and needs a good, slow drink. Here is another scenario. Your plant is still green, but the leaf veins are staying dark while the rest yellows. That's a nutrient deficiency. Think of it like your plant being hangry. A quick blast of balanced fertilizer will usually fix that right up. If you're using NPK fertilizer, just mix a balanced liquid version according to the bottle's instructions and water it into the soil. Don't go crazy. Too much can actually burn the roots. If you prefer the natural route, you can add a layer of organic compost to the top of your soil. This acts like a slow-release snack, feeding your plant every time you water. It's like giving your plant a healthy, balanced meal instead of just a sugary energy drink. Now, check the troublemakers. Peek under the leaves. If you see tiny moving dots or sticky webs, you've got pests stealing the plant's food. Treat them with a little neem oil. And hey, don't stress if it's just 1 or 2 old leaves at the very bottom dying off. That's just natural aging. Your plant is just making room for new growth. Sometimes, the room itself is the problem. Most indoor plants are like us. They prefer a Goldilocks temperature, ideally between 18 degrees Celsius and 27 degrees Celsius. If your plant is sitting right in front of a freezing AC vent or a scorching heater, that draft causes major stress and instant yellowing. Keep them in a cozy, stable spot, away from those temperature swings. So, check the soil, check for bugs, and look at the location. Most of the time, it's a simple fix. If your plant is still acting like a total drama queen, drop the plant's name in the comments and I'll help you troubleshoot. Happy gardening!